We're going to do a brief video on APA stock analysis, APA, and this is an oil company stock. We got a daily chart on here with a green 5-day moving average, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. We can see that this stock put in a peak back here in June of 2022 of about $51.92. Promptly sold off really hard. Didn't get much support on a rising 200-day moving average and flirted with it for quite a while, practically almost through the whole summer. Came back up into bull market territory but could not hold it, and you can see today we're getting a tremendous sell-off in this stock. Our lows are $32.84. We're currently down in this stock over 10% for the day, down $3.77 from yesterday at $33.33 right at the moment. It's about 11:30 on Friday, the September 23rd, and the volume is about 6.5+ million shares. On a normal day, about 8 million shares are traded. So we're looking at this stock from 2 points of view. Obviously, we have a technical analysis up here. You always have to keep in the back of your mind what's going on with oil and gas, and especially the Ukraine situation. If we take a look at this stock, we can see we've had a hard breakdown below the 200-day moving average. We're below the 5-day moving average, below the 20-day moving average. However, I'm not going to say this stock is in a bear market yet. We got to make some new lows below this August 5th low, which was $30.15, to call this a bear market stock. I will say that this stock is definitely distributing and oscillated around the $39 level for quite a while. From the end of August, about the third week in August, to about the third week in September. For about 30 days there, it definitely went sideways and distributed, and you can see that with a lower low here and a lower high here. So we distributed at a very, very low point in the rally. It just barely got off the 200-day moving average, which was a very bearish sign. So the sell-off is not surprising. However, is it going to break down and break this this August 5th low of $30.15? It's anybody's guess right at the moment. You can't tell that with moving averages right at the second, especially when you're dealing with fundamental analysis over in Ukraine and Russia. But in general, we should look for support here at the $30.15 level, or slightly before, say $32, somewhere around in there, $31.50. We should start to get support if we're going to move back up in a trading range up to the $39 level. If we don't get support and we challenge this $30.15 level, I think it's going to break through it. In order to do that, we need to get the 5-day and the 20-day below the 200-day, and we need to get probably this gap's probably going to be dealt with in some way, shape, or form before it challenges this low. That would be my guess. Gaps are almost always filled, and if that gap doesn't get filled, that's a really bearish sign that would lead us to believe we'd probably break this $30.15 level. So my guess is a little lower in this stock, probably by the end of the month, end of September. In the 31.75 level is just easily possible. And then if we get a follow-up with the 5 and the 20 below the 200-day moving average, is probably lower prices forecast, especially if we don't fill this gap. That's where I am with this stock right at the moment. We do not cover this stock at rbamresearch.com for some reason. It's a holding company, that might be it. But we do cover 190+ stocks every morning, Monday through Friday. At 7 a.m. we put out these buy prices for 190+ stocks. They're 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods. And you can see we have Apple's has no buy price here today. That means it's not a good idea to buy. Apple's down today, but we do have a lot of prices out today, Tesla, NIO, and so forth. You can get access to all of these prices and a lot of other things at rbamresearch.com. Absolutely no cost, no credit card required. In addition to the stocks, we cover entry prices for the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the major futures contracts. Again, all out by 7 a.m. Link in the description below to rbamresearch.com. Just go over there, put in your email address, and sign right up. No credit card required, no cost. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. Keep in mind, everything you've seen or heard on here, including our entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use them for anything other than entertainment. All of our commentary is opinion. You should use your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.